Good morning, DZ fam. ARON has finally broken his silence. Yeah. Spy Dumpy. Data Zero glasses? Twitch guy? DC's girl comes to every Twitch stream. Adam Aaron is a clown. Adam Aaron, the motherfucking clown. Clown. Adam Aaron, yeah, he's a fucking clown. And I'm about to explain why Adam Aaron blows up everything in sight. Adam Aaron, the clown. This is a bear flag. Bear flag, SPY. GameStop coming down as expected heading into earnings. Bitcoin 69,700. Bitcoin holding. Want to see Bitcoin back above 70. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Who got Twitch Prime? We need 1 Twitch sub. We need 1 more Twitch sub. And guys, if you signed up with Amazon Prime on my Twitch, you have to do it every 30 days. So make sure you check every 30 days to see if you need the Prime sub again. Who got Amazon? We need 1 Prime sub today. It's free for anyone who has Amazon. I'm only asking because it's free. One Twitch Prime sub. You loaded up 10 bands of GME? I wish I had 10 bands to spend. Brother's rich. Rich, I tell ya. Guys, we're gonna do a Friday video today. Yeah, we're doing a Friday video today. You got Amazon Prime, ILM? Prime sub to my Twitch for me, brother. If you don't mind. Ooh. Junior! Thank you for the 13-month support, brother. Thank you for the 13-month support, bro. AMC's still not under $1. What's happening? How's Shiba Inu green, but everything else is red? All right, guys, we got a lot to talk about. Adam Aron broke his silence on AMC stock, and you know what he blamed? You'll never guess. You'll never guess what Adam Aron blamed. For his failures. So Adam Aron opened up about the share price of AMC. The creator of Fortnite, Epic Games. Fortnite just got an update. Oh no, Epic Games is having a issue. Great. Chuck Norris. Oh, we're at 16,822 subs. Thank you. I'm the spy guy. Ha cha cha cha. All right. Oh, I forgot to charge my phone last night. Good thing my phone is so good, though, that I don't have to charge it sometimes. It's only on 35%, though. I better charge it. What just happened? Okay, Adam Aaron breaks his silence. And you guys gotta let me know what you guys think about this. So Adam Aaron says, I know from my own losses, which this is how you know Adam Aaron's a freaking narcissist psychopath. First of all, off rip. Off rip. He tries to make it about himself. So this is how you know Adam Aaron is a straight up psychopath. Off rip. He tries to make it about himself. Only a narcissist would do that. A pure psychopath. So off rip, Adam Aaron tries to make it about himself. That's the first thing. We have 22 likes. All right, who's going to be the Prime sub for today? I need one person with Amazon to go to my Twitch account and Prime sub. Very easy to do. And it helps support the channel for free. That's why we made Twitch. Because we can get extra support for free if you have Amazon Prime. So he says, I know from my own losses reading your comments on X/Twitter how distraught many of you are with the falling share price. And looking at the 2026 industry-wide box office, so first of all, this is going to debunk his shit right now. CNK, Cinemark. Cinemark's share price is rising. Cinemark's share price is rising. We have great movies coming out. We have Dune Part 3. We have the Mario movie. We have Doomsday. We have a new Spider-Man movie. Spider-Man movies always do numbers. The last one broke the box office. Cinemark is up. Now, Cinemark has a smaller float than AMC, so I know why it's up, but Cinemark is up 380 or 300. So on the low end, it was up 500% from the lows. 530%. And right now it's up 368% from the lows. 500 to 300% gains, guys. 500 to 300% gains. So looking at the industry-wide box office, we still expect it to grow materially over 2025. So inexorably, that would significantly increase AMC's EBITDA. Bro, your job is to provide value for shareholders, and you failed. However, the external macro backdrop around us is terrible. Blank in the Middle East. World oil prices soaring above $100 a barrel, and the concerns have knocked the Dow Jones average down to its lowest point in 5 months and the S&P 500 to its lowest points in 4 months. So he's blaming something that just started for his failures that's been happening since 2016. Guys, make sure you like my tweet so he understands that we see this. As for AMC, I'm optimistic about the power to increase our earnings this year over last year. As for the state of the world, we will all read the news together. Neutrally, we can wish for the best on global developments. Bro is blaming a war that just started for a share price that has been falling for over 5 years. Someone get this clown out of here. Go like the tweet underneath his post and go like my tweet right now to show Adam Aaron that we ain't fucking around. Go like my tweet under Adam Aaron's post. And go like my actual tweet right now. We only have 1 like and 1 retweet. We need more than that. Look how many members we have. Jeffrey, Fishy Friends. Member City up in this biznatch. All right, I'm going to try to show you guys. I don't know if I can do it on my own channel. But what you do is you go to my Twitch. You click right here, but it will say subscribe. And then you click use Prime sub. How much is a gifted sub? I might gift a sub on Twitch. I might gift a sub on Twitch. How to use Prime sub on Twitch. Here's a 50-second
Hello
video of how
everyone,
to
today I'll
use
be
your
showing
Prime
you how to
sub on
sub with
Twitch.
Prime on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, a comment for the algorithm, and don't subscribe. So, in order to sub with Prime, what you're going to do is go over here to subscribe, and
if you do this, it will support the channel for absolutely free, guys.
showing you how to sub with Prime on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, a comment for the algorithm, and don't
right
subscribe.
here, you hit subscribe on
in
my
order
channel.
to sub with Prime, what you're going to do is go over here to subscribe, and then you would just hit your Prime right here. Now, this is me without Prime. I do not have Prime. So if I don't have Prime, it's going to show me to sign up. Now, you'd have to actually go sign up and whatnot in order to...
if you have Amazon Prime, you can do this for free. All you do is go to click my subscribe button, and then it will say use Prime sub, but you just sign in.
With Prime, obviously, you'd have to have Prime. Now, if you had it, then it would, right here, it would just give you the options. So as if we look right here, it would just say use Prime sub. You only have one Prime sub per month, so do keep that in mind when you're using this. But if you do want to sub...
Yes, you have one Prime sub per month, so only use it on me if you feel that I deserve it.
With that Prime sub, it would be right there. You'd click on that, and then you could sub instead of just paying $6 monthly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, a comment for the algorithm, and don't subscribe.
And don't subscribe.
What's going on, everybody? Criddle here, and I link those two. Whatever one, sign up. You're going to choose a username, my new user, whatever name you want to choose, that as long as another person doesn't already have it, and you're going to put in a password here. And there we go. So we have our password. Once you have that, you can click next.
This is how you use your Prime
here,
sub,
you can
guys.
use your phone number or your email address to verify the account. I personally choose to use phone number, but if you prefer to use your email, you can do that. So put in your phone number here. Again, I'm just going to put in something random because we're not going to use this account. And then you're going to put in your birthday. Now, Twitch rules are you have to be 13 years or older to make a Twitch account. So if you have somebody that's younger than that in your household that you would like to make a Twitch account for, and they can come in and watch Twitch on my channel or any other channel, just make sure that you sign this or set this up for them. And then you're going to click sign up. That will send you an email that will be a verification showing that you have created your Twitch account. Once you have your Twitch account, you're going to go back up here to your browser, and you're going to go to gaming.amazon.com. From here, if you've been to this page before, it may say home right here, and your page may look a little bit different. Or you could come directly to the intro page. Either way, up at the top of the screen, it should say sign in. So you're going to go ahead and click sign in from there, and this is where you're going to sign in with your Amazon Prime account. Once you sign in, this is this page that you're going to be seeing. You should have your name right up here at the top right corner of the screen with a little drop down arrow. This name should be the name that you have on your Amazon Prime account, which is most likely going to be your first name. Click the little drop down arrow, and it'll see this first option here says your name and then link Twitch account. Go ahead and click that. Come down here to link accounts, and then you'll be able to put in your Twitch information right here that you just created previously. After you have signed into your Twitch account, you can come back to the the gaming.amazon.com page, and again, it's going to look the exact same. However, when you click the little down arrow, you'll see here that it now has your name and then your Twitch name that you just created linked together. So you will no longer be able to link a new account to it, as they should already be linked together. That is all you need to do as far as linking the two accounts. Once you've done that, you never have to do those steps again. However, you can continue to sub every month, and we'll go over how to do that next. Okay, so from here, now that you have your Twitch account linked, you're going to go to twitch.tv/criddlecraddle. That's my personal Twitch channel. I'm going to go ahead and mute this up here because it may be automatically playing if you don't want to hear it. And you're going to have a little button right here that says subscribe. Now, if you're not signed in, go ahead and sign into your account by coming right up here and click log in and then signing in. Make sure you use your username here and not your email address. And then also it's going to ask for a verification code, which will either send it to your phone or your email, depending on how you set it up. Now, once you've signed in, again, there should be a little button right over here. Mine says gift a sub because this particular account that I'm using already is subscribed to my channel. but yours will say subscribe. Go ahead and click that button, and a little dialog box similar to this will pop up. Yours will show the different benefits you get from my channel, which are going to be emotes and things that you can use within Twitch. Down at the bottom right, it says $4.99 to subscribe to the channel. But just to the left of that, there's a little checkbox. If you click that little checkbox, it'll change that $4.99 to free. Go ahead and click that free. You have subscribed as a $5 subscription to my channel, but it costs you absolutely nothing but benefits me.
It costs you absolutely nothing if you have Amazon Prime, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want to support the channel for absolutely free, head on over to amazon.gaming.com, link your Twitch account, and give me that Prime sub. Or you can just head over to Twitch, hit use Prime sub when you hit subscribe, and you're good to go, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you guys. Here are the directions once more if you did not notice, and I just played the video if you want to erase. SPY is breaking down out of a rising wedge, so this is going to be overall bearish for SPY as SPY starts to head towards my price targets on the macro of 571. I told you guys that this would be coming here on the macro, and we are slowly slipping down towards those levels as we speak. So guys, get ready. SPY will be breaking underneath 600, ladies and gentlemen. SPY will be breaking underneath 600 when this correction is all said and done. Now, AMC, ARON has addressed the share price, but AMC still has not broken underneath $1. Data Zero and AMC haters are in shambles right now as AMC remains above $1 and Data Zero remains right once again. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe for accurate stock and crypto predictions every day, all day. This is what we do over here. Anyone else having trouble logging in with E-Trade? I think there's stuff going on with the internet right now, Sonny GG. Yeah, I was not able to log in to E-Trade. Was not able to log in to E-Trade. I think there's stuff going on with the internet right now. Let's look at outage detector. E-Trade's down. E-Trade's down. E-Trade is down. So is multiple other things like Fortnite. Yeah, so I told you guys there's stuff going on with the internet right now. Okay, Fortnite's okay. Fortnite's okay, but E-Trade, Gas Buddy, Discord having issues. Roblox, Facebook having issues. Quad Witching Day. Oh, that's interesting. E-Trade down on Quad Witching Day? Very interesting. Very interesting. E-Trade down on Quad Witching Day. Guys, ARON has finally broken his silence about AMC stock price, and you won't believe what he said. ARON breaks his silence. He says that he should see. Now, you guys can read the whole tweet for yourself, but basically what he's saying in this tweet is that we should see from 2025. So you guys can read the whole tweet for yourself, but basically what he's saying from this tweet here is from now until further on, the box office should help AMC grow. Now, if you look at stocks like CNK on the macro, they're up over 300% from the lows. While AMC is down over 300% from the highs. He's also blaming a blank. I can't say because you... He's also blaming the troubles in the Middle East, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot make this stuff up. What a clown. He's blaming something that just started for his failures that's been happening since 2016 and a falling share price for over 5 years. Somebody get this clown out of here. Go like my tweet now to let Adam Aaron know we do not stand for this. Adam Aaron blaming something that just started for his failures is insane. His job as a CEO is to bring value to the share price. And he's also a narcissist. Look what he does right away. He makes it about himself right off of the rip, ladies and gentlemen. This is not the guy you want to follow. Like and subscribe for more truth about AMC stock, Adam Aaron, and more. Peace. Thank you for tuning in right now. Thank you for tuning in right now. We got 61 on YouTube, 5 on Twitch. Hey, yo, guys, if you're having trouble with E-Trade and some websites, don't worry. Here's the issue. All right, guys, we got some crazy stuff going on, and it's quad witching day. So let me know if this is a coincidence or something more. E-Trade is experiencing issues. Down Detector website showing E-Trade and Discord, as long as a few other websites having issues. But E-Trade being the one... Oh, man. E-Trade! It's quad witching day, and E-Trade is having issues. Is this a coincidence or something more? We're also seeing other websites have issues as well, but E-Trade is one of the main ones. So if you're not able to log into E-Trade right now, don't worry, you're not the only one. But the fact this is happening on Quad Witching Day, is that a coincidence or something more? Let me know in the comments down below. And like and subscribe for more information on stocks, crypto, news, and more. SPY is in a rising wedge right now. SPY in a rising wedge. And remember, guys, if you prime subbed, you have to resub every month. Fishy friends, Andrew, Sunny GG, C-Win. So the shorts don't want AMC to go below $1 either? The Adam Aaron specifically. It was always the plan to bring it down to $1. That was always the plan. Good morning, Goblin Slayer. It's more like afternoon for me, but what up, brother? 35 likes, 35 likes. Let's get these numbers up. I know it's Friday. I know it's going to be a slow day, a light day, but that's okay. If we can get one Prime sub, it'll make the broke go away. Prime subs are absolutely free. Make sure you go over to Twitch, check it out. Jeezy's girl with the 5-stream streak. Thank you. Chris P, what up? Okay, SPY breaking down at a rising wedge. SPY breaking down at a rising wedge as expected. SPY has support at 650, guys. Major support at 650. SPY getting super bearish. SPY's next support is going to be 650, and if we lose that, we dissolve. SPY breaking down at a rising wedge as expected. AMC 102, GameStop 2279. Well, you guys know if you chat on Twitch, everyone can see it. So if you chat on Twitch, everyone can see it. Because my chats all go together on this one screen. SPY is dying right now, guys. SPY is dying. We are seeing the official crash start, baby, in real time. We are seeing it happen. Yeah, Chuck Norris, man. R.I.P. Chuck. R.I.P. Chuck. R.I.P. Chuck. Spike dumping, 75 in the building, let's go. We did start a goal, but don't worry about it if you guys don't want to. If we can get $5 super chats in the next 2 hours, we'll do either a gifted giveaway or a subscription giveaway, depending on which one you guys vote for. Run it back, Turbo. VCX halted? What is VCX? Chuck Norris. R.I.P. Chuck Norris. I hope I can live that long, to be honest. 79 in the building, 79 in the building on Friday. I didn't expect it on Friday. I didn't expect it. Let's go. Thank you for being here. Spy absolutely dump bitch. If you guys have Amazon Prime, you could sub to my Twitch channel for absolutely free, watching ad-free over on Twitch and supporting the channel. BURU 13%. We got some movers. Yo, if Spy loses 650, bro, it's over. If Spy loses 650, it's over, bro. AMC? Oh? Adam Aaron blaming, bro. Adam Aaron's a fucking clown, bro. Adam the Clown Aaron. Damn, we got 1.2K views. Thank you for talking about AMC, because the YouTubers who got famous from this play literally never mentioned AMC and GME. That's why I'm gonna be different, because I'm not gonna abandon what made me, what made my channel big. I'm not gonna do like everyone else and talk about AMC and GME in the beginning and then just stop talking about them because shit gets hard. Because that's what a bunch of people did. How much would $1 call options be for AMC? So this is from yesterday's video. GME is coming down as expected. It will go back up on earnings, brother. Beautiful thumbnail. Holy smokes. We got a bunch of new subscribers on my Data Zero Gaming channel. Dude, I've been getting 1.4 to 1.5Ks on videos this simple on the gaming channel. $1.5K views on this thing, on this. These guys are lying. They're saying they have 132 crowns and it just reset.
Reach, get up. Try hard.
Tonight's video, I'm going to talk about this. Also, I'm going to talk about E-Trade being down during quad witching.
Tiger made another one.
That's good news.
Guys, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. We do have a goal. If we get $5 super chats or higher, we will be doing a gifted giveaway. Doc Airline, what up? Thank you, Data Zero. Please let me know when E-Trade is up again. I got you. It's still very down. Instagram is also having troubles. Yeah, there's something going on with the internet right now. Dang, we got 5 likes on the tweet already. 5 likes on the tweet. We might go viral for this one. We're getting a lot of new subscribers on my gaming channel. SPY is getting really ugly here, guys. If SPY can't get back above 651.73, expect more downside. It's getting ugly fast. 57 likes, 57 likes. We need to get to 80. Run those numbers up if you don't mind. Guys, if you want to show even more love, make sure you follow me on Twitch. It takes a few seconds to make an account. Make sure you follow me on Twitch. If you are from YouTube, and if you're from YouTube, if you want to help me out even more, go over to Twitch, make an account, give me a follow. If you have Amazon Prime, go ahead and Prime sub for free. If you're on Twitch, make sure you come over to YouTube, give me a subscribe, give me a like if you don't mind. Let's take us in the power hour. 1 hour, 30 minutes left on the goal. Spy slipping below key support of 571.73. Do be careful. AMC, my AMC 105 calls already printing. People keep saying, look at $1 calls, look at $1 calls. How much are the contracts? That's what people keep saying. Look at $1 calls, and I'm thinking that might be fire because if AMC just puts up a little bit, you'll get paid. I might buy a couple for next week. Fuck it. AMC using $1 as support. GameStop has support at $22.70. SPY has support at $6.50. If SPY loses $6.50, it's gonna be absolute dumpage. And the fact this is happening on Friday is huge. Quadruple witching, baby. Is Adam Aaron ever gonna forgive us? We need to forgive Adam Aaron.
Let's go, ain't leaving till tendies come.
Benjamin! Dude, 31 months is insane. Top supporter right here, baby. One of the top supporters right here. Benjamin with the insane 31 freaking months, bro. Not leaving till you get tendies. Thank you, brother, for staying here. Thank you for being here. And thank you for the 30 freaking 1 months, bro. Thank you, brother. If you guys have Amazon Prime, make sure you guys Prime sub for free on my Twitch account. It helps support the channel. That's why we made Twitch, because you guys can support for free. And you can watch ad-free if you have Prime, Amazon Prime. All you have to do is go to Prime Gaming, which is amazon.gaming.com. Then you go to the page you want to subscribe, and you click subscribe using Prime Sub. And a 2-piece!
DZ Familia in the house.
Thank you for the 2-piece, bro.
Did some say super chat?
Bro, you be doing too much, bro. You be doing too much, bro. You guys are too kind sometimes. DW with the 10 bomber. DW with the 10 bomber. Let's go. And then, bro, then right after the 30, bro, you already did 31 months and you're gonna gift a membership? You already did 31 months and you're gonna gift a membership, bro. You're insane, dude. And thank you for the 2-piece. That puts us at 1 brand new member. Plus super chats. If we get 4 more $5 super chats or higher, I'm going to do a gifted giveaway or a subscription giveaway, depending on which one you guys want. DZ, let's get some hype in the chat for DW. Benjamin, let's go with the gifted membership, the 10 bomb from DW. Benjamin with the 2-piece, and Benjamin with the 31 straight month support. Insane. I never thought I would ever see anyone on my channel reach it so far. Thank you so much, y'all. DZ fam means everything to me, man. Who's gonna help DW, man? He put up for the first one for the goal. DW put the first one up for the goal. We get 4 more $5 super chats or higher. Gift to giveaway. Guys, Spy loses 650. We absolutely dump, so be careful. 45 minutes till power hour. 45 minutes till power hour.
Yo, bro, what's up with that beat?
Fishy friends! Why?
Yeah, boy!
Fishy friends with the gifted membership as well now. Fishy friends with the gifted membership as well. Tyler Jensen just got gifted a free membership. IB, you just got gifted from Benjamin. Benjamin gifted you, brother. IB Mac, Benjamin gifted you. The DZ fam gives out gifteds. They're a blessing to other members of the DZ fam. Thank you guys. And I want to thank you guys so much. Because of you guys, we are back above 300 members. We are back above 300 members on YouTube because of you guys. DW! Not only does DW did a 10 bomb, but now he did a 5 gifted, and Benjamin coming in with another gifted as well. What is the occasion?
Yeah, boy!
Hype in the chat. Hype in the chat.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Let's go. What is the occasion, brother? Hype in the chizat. Guys, if you want to support for absolutely free, like and subscribe. If you want to support for absolutely free, like and subscribe. Thank you, DW and Benjamin, for the multiple gifteds, pushing us well over 300 members. Guys, Spy is dripping lower. Spy is dipping lower. Spy is dripping and dipping. If we lose 650.02, Spy will absolutely dump. The crash is starting. The crash is starting. Thank you so much, man. Spy is dumping, guys. Spy is dumping. Spy is dumping. Sunny GG, thank you for being on Twitch. I appreciate it. Yo, guys. Make sure you check your subscription date on Twitch. You can check when your subscription runs out. So if you guys have Prime subs, make sure you go over to my Twitch and check when your sub runs out. That way you can Prime sub again. You get one per month. I appreciate you guys' support so much. Thank you guys. We're actually 1 out of 5 on the goal, but if you guys don't want to reach the goal, that's fine. I don't care. I'm grateful for everything you guys are doing. We have 8 brand new members today. 8 brand new members already. Thank you so much. And 69 likes. If we do get 4 more $5 super chats or higher, I will do a gifted giveaway, or I'll do a subscription giveaway depending on which one you guys want. The subscription costs a little bit more, but I'll do it. Macro price targets for Spy, I have down below 600. Thank you guys so much for the support, man. I truly appreciate it. 70 likes. Thank you, Andrew. If you guys want to support for absolutely free, like and subscribe. So Spy breaking down at a rising wedge, going to the downside as expected. Until Spy breaks above this line, it's going to continue down. Until Spy breaks above this red line, it will continue down, ladies and gentlemen. Spy must break above that red line to continue down. Or Spy must get above that red line, or it will continue down. So these are the best types of trades to play. This is a trade I would have played, but I didn't have enough because it was going to expire today. But you have a clear pattern, so you know what to do. You know when to short when you retest the pattern as resistance. So we tested it here. And then we also have a very clear trend line. So we know when it's gonna when SPY's gonna go back up, and we just broke below resistance. So this would have been a perfect trade for me, but I didn't play it because the calls expired at the end of today, and on top of that, if I went to next week, I didn't have enough money. RSI is oversold though, so cash out on puts. Cash out on puts. Bano in the building. Benjamin, what up? Fishy, Andrew, DW, get rich. Thank you guys for 8 brand new members, 74 likes. AMC 101. GameStop 2268. SPY 649.36. Bitcoin 69,600. E-Trade is still down. AMC being accumulated right now. Buy orders. AMC being accumulated. It's gonna hold $1. I should do AMC $1 calls. I think that's the real play. I know it sounds crazy, but I think AMC $1 calls are gonna print. They're probably gonna print right now. Massive buy orders here for AMC. E-Trade is down for some people. Some people can't log in. Users report show problems with E-Trade. See how you got that little spike there? That means some people got in, but most people are down. SPY still below major level of 650. If SPY stays below this, it's going to continue dumping down. If SPY stays below 650, it will continue dumping down. AMC calls locked and loaded. Get it, brother. Remember, guys, SPY below red line bearish, above red line bullish. SPY will continue down unless it breaks above the red line and breaks back above 650. Is there anybody playing SQQQQ or holding SQQQQ? SPY is dumping, guys. NASDAQ's down 1.88%, or QQQ is. Oh my God, this is getting bad fast. This is getting bad fast. It's bringing everything down. Hedge funds are selling off for liquidity. Bitcoin holding up though. Dude, SPY being below 650 is huge. It's funny how SPY never hit 700 too. I told you guys. Which stock is a good buy or hold for the long term? I don't think any stocks, bro, unless it's like fundamentally driven, because the whole stock market's getting pretty beat up. I think crypto's the place to be. Quentin, what up, bro? Ryan Cohen needs to give us some answers about the acquisition. iPhone with the daily rockets. Tronics, let's go. All-time high in the building. Love to see it. SPY still dipping lower. SPY still dipping lower. RSI oversold. Get ready to cash out puts. RSI oversold.
Fancy going graceful.
Make sure you guys follow me on Rumble and TikTok if you don't mind. Follow me on Rumble and TikTok if you don't mind. Here is my TikTok. I'll post it all in the comment section. And here is my Rumble. Rumble, we have over 500 followers. So if you can, give me a follow on Rumble. $14 views. So we got somebody on Rumble that watches everything. Because they're watching everything. 16, it's getting about the same views. 28 views. Actually, it looks like we're going up a little bit on Rumble. Yo, SPY is dipping even lower. SPY just made a new low of 648.07. SPY just made a brand new low of 648.07, guys. AMC still holding $1. GameStop 22.63. Bitcoin 69,700. It's getting crazy out here, especially for a Friday. Quadruple riching. E-Trade is down. So many things is happening, bro. Guys, make sure you guys like my tweets over on Twitter to help out. Twitter/X. Like and retweet. Get ready to cash out of puts. SPY oversold. SPY oversold. Not financial advice. White dotted line OP. White dotted line OP. All-time high with the Rockets. $81 people on the YouTube, guys. 81 people on the YouTube. Crazy. $81 people, 81 likes. Guys, if you want to support for absolutely free, like and subscribe if you haven't. Like and subscribe if you haven't. You can also check out my other channels, Data Zero Gaming, Data Zero Clips, Data Zero Extras. We're also live on Twitch as well. Here are my other channels. They're on the main channel. You can just hit subscribe, subscribe, subscribe to help out. Spy tracking, spy tracking. Spy's about the bottom. I told everybody that SPY was going to start correcting down, man. Bearish divergence never fails. RSI trending down. Price trending up. That means you'll flatten out and correct down. We're seeing a slow grind down, and we're going to see a correction then. This is what happens. Bulls have been controlled too long. Bulls have been in control way too long. White dotted line OP, white dotted line OP. Yeah, SPY about to bounce cut. SPY is about to bounce. White dotted line prediction for SPY. All right, now. Let's take this thing to the next level. Let's crack the code, baby. Absolutely not.
No cap, no rants said this would
No,
happen to
no more super
AMC
chats.
/ BBY.
No more. I was literally about to say no more super chats today, bro. Seriously. No more. I feel bad, guys. Stop. No more. All right. No Cat Moran said this would happen to AMC and BBBY. Yeah, but he's an elitist, bro. He only cares about GameStop. I have to care about all stocks. Because as soon as you have a mindset where, first of all, thank you for the 2-piece, but as soon as you have a mindset where it's like, okay, I think this stock is better than this stock, you're automatically going to have a bias. And that's why. He recently hit me up for an interview. I'm not going to leak the DMs, but should I go on there for an interview, guys? I'll think about it. I think I have more subscribers. I'll think about it. Spy bouncing as expected, guys. Spy bouncing as expected. Damn. Spy bouncing as expected. Damn. Put it on the cord. Just let him rant. We could do it both live. We could both be live while we do it. I could be live on Twitch and YouTube now. Seeing Twitch, YouTube, and Rumble. Guys, thank you for the 8 brand new members. Fishy Friends, thank you for the 2-piece, brother. Can we get some hype in the chat for Fishy? You guys have been going crazy. If you haven't, make a Twitch account and give me a follow on Twitch. Junior 13K, Benjamin. Fishy Friends, DW. DW with the 10 bomb. Benjamin with the insane. I don't know if anyone's higher, but there's people close to this. 31 months. I know Sunny GG and Todd are up there. Who does anyone have more than 30? How many months is it? 31 months. I never thought in a million years, bro. Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you, brother. 31 months consecutive. It's unreal, dude. It's Friday, man. What are you guys gonna do for the weekend? Did you make some money real quick to go trade and go play? I'm staying in the crib all weekend, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Staying in the crib all weekend, and I'm focusing on how to make my channel better and my social media empire grow. Where's AMC and GME headed to next? Bro, GME's all the way at 2250, man. I think this is lower than I expected. We're probably coming down for this gap fill. I did talk about the gap fill in the weekly outlook and prediction, but to be 100% clear, I said that we would at least find a bottom at 2270. We found one bottom at 2270 and bounced, but now because the market is dumping pretty hard, 650 minus 650. This is crazy, guys. I don't think people understand how nuts this is. S&P 500 has shed trillions of dollars from the peak. But I mean, I told you guys, macro, this was coming, and it's gonna get worse. It is going to get worse. I cannot believe E-Trade is down right now. Oil's all the way up at 98, guys. Oil's back up at 98.
Hello, is it you again? Aaron, you're crazy.
Bro said what? Tearing my girl up, you're wild. The weekend starts in less than an hour, guys. It's power hour. It is power hour. I'm gonna make a video today, though. It is officially power hour. I'm gonna make a video today about just, it's probably gonna be a very short video about ARON. We're gonna talk about ARON.
Aaron, you're crazy.
Man, I wish I could just like clip the stream up because I already talked about it. But yeah, this is crazy that he made it about himself. He made it about himself off the rip. He should have just said reading the comments on Twitter and X, but off his very first thing, and he's so tone deaf that he doesn't understand that he's rich as fuck. Like, bro, no one cares that you had $50 million and it went down to $25 million. You still have $25 million, you buffoon. Like, you're so fucking out of touch with the average person, you don't even understand that by saying this in the beginning, you look like a fucking idiot, dog. You look so tone deaf and stupid. I know from my own losses of the shares that I get for free. He just got like 1.5 million shares for free. I know from my own losses from the shares that I get for absolutely free, and I get paid cash on top of it for my compensation of being a CEO and not doing my job. His very first thing, I know from my own losses, and reading your comments on Twitter, so I was like, how distraught many of you are with the falling share price. I'm looking at it likely 2026 industry-wide box office. We still expect it to grow materially over. Why is he saying this? Is this a typo? In looking at 2026 industry-wide box office, we still expect it to grow materially over 2025. And if so, that inexorably would significantly increase AMC's EBITDA. Bro, what? That has to be a typo, right? Am I tripping? The 2025 here has to be a typo, right? Cause does he know it's 2026? I can't believe I live in the year 2026, man. I want to go back to 1990 so bad. Wait, even though I started the stream super late, we got a decent amount of views. 90 likes already? You guys are monsters. 90 likes already, y'all. What do the comments say? And then he blames the war. That just started. The comments on his, so I'll pull up his. Basically the same thing I said. Are you blaming years and years of failure on something that happened in the last 20 days? But also, like, he's a narcissist. The first thing he says, my own losses. And then he does it. Who the hell does an offering when the stock is at all-time lows? You should be investigated for breach of financial duties. He really should. This is insane, guys. How are you at all-time lows and then do an at-the-market offering? First, you blame bad performance due to the sea flu. Now the war. Everybody's calling him out. AMC, yeah, the real price is 10 cents. The real price is 10 cents, bro. Yo, this guy's wild. He said if you reverse split again, we're getting pitchforks. I'm sure some people really feel that way. I would never, ever, ever agree to violence, though. I am against that, guys. No more super chats.
Sold too early on puts, but trying
Yeah,
to
it's
be
time to
disciplined.
cash out, bro. Is SPY bouncing or nah? Bro, that little tiny bit of dip, we're tracking. I would not. Sold puts too early, bro. If you, first of all, if you don't have discipline, you're gonna get cooked. Second of all, it's still gonna bounce, bro. It's tracking perfectly. Third, that's not even any money in options. You know that. That was a little bit more. That was a couple cents drop. And also your theta's dying the whole time while you hold those options. The closer and closer you get to close, the less and less and less those options are worth. If you sell options faster, you make more money. So people waiting sometimes is not the best move. The best move is to sell quickly and move on. Make your money and then move on. So yeah, staying disciplined is the way, brother. Make your bag and don't look back. Hindsight is 20/20 in this game. Don't be like, oh, I could have made this or that, because you don't even know that, because the contract could have been so theta decayed that you didn't make nothing. But it's white dotted lines are OP, dude. I don't even know anymore somehow. Look at these things. Look at this shit. It's literally following it bar for bar right now. This is bar for bar, line for line. Ruben, thank you for the super chat. Expiring today, so yeah, the closer and closer you got the close, bro, those would have been gotten 8 and up. They would have got 8 and up, brother. Whoa! Why do we have 98 on the tube right now? I never expected it. Guys, let's get me over 100 likes. We got 100 on the stream right now, cuz. No more supers, bro. It's over.
Yeah, you've taught me a lot about discipline.
Nah, I appreciate you, dude. Thank you. Discipline is everything in this game, dude. Because if you have discipline... See, me, when I go in a trade, I want to get out as soon as possible. I want to sell as soon as possible to make profit. Thank you for another 2-piece drop, bro. You're insane.
JK, really?
So it comes naturally to me. Because I'm stressed about the shit. I'm like, I want out. I want my money back. So if I see green, I take that shit. And if I know the move, if I have a move, a setup, a trade, like a pattern, like this today, we had a very clear pattern. We had rising wedge with consistent clear downtrend. This is the easiest shit to trade ever. This is the market giving you a free setup, a free trade. This is the market makers blessing you for participating in the market, giving you a nice, easy to clean read setup. The move wasn't in pre-market. Yes, there was a significant move pre-market, but guess what? You got a clear drop down, a bearish consolidation, which led to another drop down. You have your trend line. You know what's going to be happening, so you get your puts and you sell.
No more supers.
And you don't look
Playful
back.
face emoji.
All right, DW, you already did way too much today, brother. No, all right, chill. Stop it. Don't be doing this shit, bro. Because I will start feeling bad. I have a conscience, yo. DW. Bro, these guys are wilding at this point, bro. I can't even stop them. They're wild, y'all. They're wild, bro. I told them no more super chats. Look what they're doing.
Yeah,
J-Card,
no
DW,
more.
and Fishy Friends. J-Car, DW, and Fishy Friends. D-Boy, you just got gifted a free membership from J-Car. D-Boy, you just got gifted a free membership from J-Car. Fishy Friends with the 2-piece and DW. DW has already dropped a 10 bomb and a 5 gifted. I repeat, DW has already dropped a 10 bomb and a 5 gifted. Fishy Friends Benjamin as well. Junior 13K with the 13 months. Thank you. And J Carr with the gifted. Guys, if you want to support for free, just drop a like, subscribe, head on over to Twitch, give me a follow. If you have Amazon Prime, you can Prime sub to my Twitch for absolutely free and watch ad free on Twitch. AMC $1. GameStop $22.44. GameStop leaking, bro. We have the gap fill at $22.17 to $21.90, $93. We're gonna have to talk about that. We're oversold right now, but we're gonna have to talk about that. This is crazy on GameStop. GameStop follows SPY a little bit more too, I've noticed. SPY still tracking, but I could be wrong, guys. But dotted lines are pretty OP. I could be wrong, but dotted lines are pretty OP. Looks like SPY setting up for a bounce. Time to cash out of puts. Time to cash out puts. Update in the day trade chat Discord. Update in the day trade chat Discord, guys. Update in the day trade chat Discord. Get on it now. Get on it. If SPY breaks above that red line, it's going to absolutely rip too, guys. What? Bro, we haven't even been streaming that long at all. It's going on 3 hours. We have 700 views already. I just paused ads because the DZ fam went so crazy, guys. I just paused ads on YouTube because DZ fam went so crazy. We need one more like on YouTube. We need one more like on YouTube to get 100. No, we just broke 100 likes. We just broke 100 likes.
Yeah, boy!
We just broke 100 likes on YouTube. Thank you. Likes broken on YouTube, guys. If I'd have made the gold 2 pieces, we would have made it. I knew I should have made it 2 pieces. I'm stupid. Nine brand new members today is insane. Thank you, family. All right. We're going to see if SPY bounces or continues down, guys. We're still below the red line, so below red line, bearish. As long as SPY stays below this red line, it is going to remain bearish. Red line is right here. SPY literally capitulated, though, so it should get a bounce here soon. We had an overall downtrend, and then this is the capitulate. RSI is oversold. 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, hourly. SPY is way oversold, and when it's this oversold, it likes to bounce hard. When SPY is this oversold, it likes to bounce hard. It is outside the bands as well, guys. Do not get greedy shorting. Do not get greedy shorting. You'll get fucked. All your profits will be gone. All your profits from the day will be wiped out because you got greedy. Your boy told you cash out on puts, and don't forget it. Not financial advice, of course. Do not trust me. I am just some guy on the internet streaming. Just don't trust me, brother. Do your own research. Do your own analysis. I am here for entertainment purposes only, ladies and gentlemen. SPY also has support at this level here. White dotted lines OP. Cash the scout or burn. See, Ruben, if you would have waited, you wouldn't even have got more downside. And you would have just been burning premium on a sideways move right now. All the people being greedy, not cashing out, are burning premium right now. And guess what? We're getting closer and closer to expiration as your contract just burns data, because it's burning it up right now. Burning it up. We're at the end of the day on Quad Witch, and you're fucking losing dollars by the minute on every contract. Fucking burning it on a sideways move, waiting for what? More downside when it's not coming? Yeah, they're burning up your theta, and then they're about to rip it up to fucking destroy your whole contract. That's what they're about to do to you. Unless you stop being greedy right now. But hey, everyone do what you do. Everyone do what you do. AMC still holding the covenant $1. Will it break below? Will it not? We're going to find out. ARON breaks his silence. I'm going to do a video on it tonight. Make sure you tune in for it. Make sure you tune in for it. I got to figure out how we're going to drop it, though. Like, I wish I could just clip the stream up, because we had some great moments there, man. We talked about how he's a psychopath. We got to do that in a condensed form. We talked about how he was a psychopath, because he literally is, starting it off with the, I know from my own losses, he gets millions of dollars worth of share for free, plus he gets payment with money. Like, absolute psychopath narcissist. Crazy. And then, I don't know if this is a typo or not, but 2026 industry-wide box office, we still expected to grow materially over 2025. Oh, okay, I see what he's saying. So he's saying that 2025 or 2026 box office should be better than 2025. And if so, inexorably, I don't know why he has to use these words, would significantly increase AMC EBITDA. Bro, that's your job, to provide share value for shareholders. That's your job. And you do an at-the-market offering at all-time lows. That should be investigated.
Bulls make money bag emoji. Bears
Another
make
super
money
chat?
bag emoji.
You guys are
Pigs get
crazy.
slaughtered.
Fishy friends. With another two-piece, brother. So, I'm going to go through some of the comments, too, as well, when I do it. Only 550,000 shares for AMC. Only 550,000 shares for AMC. And I'll just run through like crypto fear and greed at the end. Coming back down into deep and extreme fear. We'll talk about oil prices. Coming up real quick, like just real quick at the very end. E-Trade was down on down detector. Silver is dipping down low. Time to buy, in my personal opinion. Make sure you guys use your free Prime subs over on Twitch or give me a follow for free. GameStop extremely oversold. We have a gap fill to the downside. Maybe I can briefly talk about that, but I want to break it down more in the weekly outlook and prediction. GameStop's probably going to come fill that gap before earnings and then pop up. SPY just got a small drop down here. SPY got a small drop down. 646.79. 646.79. RSI still curling up slightly. Be careful. 104 likes. 104 likes. 9 brand new members. What is the occasion? We have 9 on Twitch. 89 on YouTube. What the heck? Thank you guys for watching right now. How are you gonna do it? If you really do it, take a chance. SPY curling up. SPY curling up. AMC $1 and 101. It's like going back and forth. It could dip below here, heading in the close. GameStop's curling up a little bit too. I think GameStop might bounce here, heading in the close. Damn, warrants came under $4. SPY's curling up. SPY's about to push up, guys. Not financial advice. Dotted line's OP. I gave an update in the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, hit me up in my email, data0official5, data0official5, $100 for a lifetime invite. Exclusive predictions, news, technicals, and information. Here's some of the wins from the Discord. And you get a lifetime invite. $370 realized profit. 132% gains. Join the Discord, made my money back in 20 minutes. Too real. Hymns, we talked about this in the Discord as well. Small and large accounts, $48 gain. $858 win. $1,800 win. 118%. Called this one out in the signals. 26% gain. And it goes on and on. So if you want a lifetime invite to that, not a monthly fee, a lifetime invite. $100. Hit me up. data055gmail.com. Hopefully GameStop gets a bounce heading into close. Bitcoin's still consolidating in good ranges. XRP at an absolute buy zone right now. Tracking perfectly. We're almost at 105 on the likers. I appreciate y'all. AMC holding on for dear life. Hopefully it gets a bounce here in the close. They shorted a bunch of short shares on it today. They had 1.3 million and they shorted all the way down to 550,000. So they wanted to push it down hard today for whatever reason. I think they were trying to push for under $1 today. Max Payne is $1. Max Payne is $1, guys. They're trying to get Max Payne. They're trying to get Max Payne, y'all. Wow. Corrupt bastards. They dumped all those shares and Max Payne was $1. And dark pool volume 74%, 11.8 million shares traded in the dark pool. So we have that. That's crazy. Max Payne is $1. Corrupt of the corrupt. Spy is absolutely dying. Spy is absolutely dying. SPY is dying, y'all. The crash is upon us. And when it's all said and done, SPY will go underneath 600. Remember, you heard it here first. SPY underneath 600 when it's all said and done. Yo, SPY 644.96. 644.96. AMC still at 1. GameStop 22.40. SPY just, yo, SPY is down 2% and NASDAQ is down 2%. Well, QQQ. 2% in one single day. The crash is upon us, guys. We're gonna see recovery next week, though. You're gonna see some bounce. This is capitulation right here. So you're gonna see some bounce from that. We're outside the bands on the daily and everything. We're oversold on the daily time frame too. So we're gonna see some bounce next week. I'll talk about it. I'll break it down. Wouldn't be surprised if it starts bouncing a little bit here before, yeah, we still have 20 minutes, so the last like 10, 15 minutes. Hopefully it does, because that would really help GameStop. I'm really hoping SPY bounces here, because that will really help GameStop out and give us some a little bit, maybe get some buy algos going before close. SPY coming back inside the bands right now. SPY had burritos last night. We have 20 minutes remaining. 20 minutes remaining. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little push up here in the last 15 to 10 minutes. I'm hoping that's what we see. That way GameStop can get a little bit of recovery here heading into close. Thank you guys for tuning in. We have 92 people on YouTube, 4 on Twitch. We are live on both right now. SPY getting a slight bounce, just a little something. Today was definitely a very interesting Friday. If you guys are just tuning in, E-Trade was having issues here. It looks like it's getting back up a little bit, but E-Trade was having issues. There were some other websites as well having issues. So there are some technical difficulties here going on across the web. But is it crazy that E-Trade was completely down at one point? Nobody could really log in. Maybe like a few people were getting through. Isn't it crazy that that happened on quad witching? Let me know what you guys think. Now, quad witching to me normally isn't that crazy. We definitely saw some pullback today on SPY, but oil pumped back up. It's continuation of the Middle East conflict. Things are not looking good over there. Because the Strait, everyone was looking forward to the Strait being opened yesterday, or at least getting some relief there. And because we saw people maybe coming in to help, but now nobody's helping, so. Dude, 110 likes. Thank you, y'all, for real. 110 likes. Thank you. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you for the support. If you guys want to support for absolutely free, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. You can give me a follow on Twitch. And if you have Amazon Prime, you can Prime sub for free. And it helps support the channel. You get 1 Prime sub a month. Shout out everybody, 9 brand new members. Thank you guys, man. Thank you for another one. Another one. Thank you, for real, y'all. I know I say it a lot, but I just want y'all to know I'm extremely grateful for everyone tuning in, and then the crazy amount of support we get. We get an insane amount of support. Unbelievable. I hope you guys have a great weekend. We have 15 minutes remaining. 15 minutes remaining. I am making a video today on the thing with ARON. It's just going to be a short video. And then I'll be making a video Sunday about the weekly outlook and prediction. We do have 100 on YouTube right now. We do have 100 on YouTube right now, guys. We are taking off. We are taking off over 100 on YouTube, 5 on Twitch right now. Let's go. AMC at 1. GameStop 22.41. SPY 646.53. SPY looks like it's gaining a little bit of momentum. RSI is trending up. So I would definitely get out of puts, not financial advice. Looks like Bitcoin might reclaim 70K, which we love to see. I would love to see Bitcoin go up more. I need crypto to boom, baby. I need crypto to moon. They're trying so hard to push AMC under $1. I know, bro. They dumped so many short shares. They had 1.3 million. They're down to 550,000. And AMC's max pain is $1. They dumped so many short shares today. They had 1.3 million. Dumped down to that. Hold up. They had 1.3 million. They dumped to 85,000. Then they went back up. Holy smokes. They dumped all the shares. Look, they went from 1.3 million down to 85,000. Then they got more shares. That's where they're at the 550,000 right now. Cost to borrow 0.86%. Holy smokes. 1.3, they dumped all 1.3 million shares in the morning because AMC started to go to 105. So they dumped all the shares there to make sure it didn't go over 105 to try to push it down towards max pain $1. Realistically, they wanted to close at 99 or 98 though. $107 in the building. 107 in the building. Yeah, it was pre-market. You're right, bro. But I feel like it was to stop momentum in general. Hopefully SPY gets a little bit of a bounce heading in the close to get some buy algos triggered. Let's get this momentum going. SPY just made a higher low. SPY just made higher low. Eight minutes remaining, guys. 8 minutes remaining. Got 5 over on Twitch, 103 on YouTube. $109 in the building total. I appreciate it. SPY getting a little bit of a bounce, guys. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if SPY gets a little bit of a bounce here heading in the close, y'all. I said the last, what 15, 10 minutes. That's probably what we're gonna see here. We're deep oversold. Uriel, what up? We are deep oversold. $115 likes. Thank you so much, fam. Spy pushing up, spy pushing up, spy pushing up. John, what up, bro? If we close above $1, it means a lot on AMC. That video will come later. That video will come later if it goes underneath $1. I already have it planned out. Should do well. Spy pushing up nasty in the close, guys. Spy pushing up nasty in the close. Giving GameStop recovery as well. This is what we wanted to see. This is what we wanted to see.
Another one.
GameStop hopefully above 2250 close. GameStop pushing up. GameStop pushing up. A Spy pushes up. Heading into Friday's close, ladies and gentlemen. Quadruple witching. Thank you guys for tuning into the DZ live stream today. I truly appreciate that. It was a short stream today. We've only been live for, or a short stream for me. We've been live for 3 hours. We've only been live for 3 hours. Still damn near 1,000 views. I appreciate that. $117 likes is wild. Spy kind of ripping in the close here. That means AMC should be able to hold $1. We should get some buy algos. Unless they dump shares or something. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm scared. Just let it be over. I just want the market to be over. John Volume and John R. Double Johns in the chat. Spy is ripping in the close. Spy is ripping in the close. Yeah, like I said, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a nice bounce heading in the close here. Started running up from like the last 20, 15 minutes. Started running up here. Spy is absolutely pumping. Spy is absolutely pumping. If you didn't cash out, you got burned. Don't be scared, bro. Because if it jumps under $1, it'll come back up, dude. And if he does another reverse split, then people will wild out. Not that I want that to happen or promote that to happen. But he knows it and I know it. Everyone knows it. They'll be coming for his top. I mean that figuratively, not literally. So GameStop pushing well above 2250. This is exactly what we want to see. Very nice here. GameStop pushing above 2250. AMC right on $1. I'm so scared right now. I am so scared, dude. Bano in the building right now. Walt C12, thank you. Guys, hit the like button if you haven't. Hit the like button if you haven't. Oh my God! Dun, dun, dun. So wait, we might have to switch videos. We might have to switch videos.
Daddy, chill.
I can't find the thing.
Bruh.
AMC has officially lost $1. They want to close, market makers want to close it at $99.98 because they don't want it on Max Payne. They don't want it on Max Payne, guys. AMC has officially lost $1. This could be the end of everything. Psych, no, I'm not. I'm being too wild for the stream. I'm sorry, guys, but no, we are below $1. So now I got to figure out about the angle of the video today. I'm thinking. We gotta see where we close at exactly. We have 2 minutes. We have 2 fucking minutes. 2 fucking minutes left. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, ladies and gentlemen. AMC has officially lost $1. SPY is pushing up slightly here. GameStop well above 2250. That's exactly what we want to see. Let's see where AMC closes. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. That is it. Market is closed. 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 Market makers got the 99 center. Market makers got the 99 center for the Max Payne closing on AMC underneath $1. Remember, they never want it at the Max Payne point. They don't want the options in the money. They want to close it at $99.98. Market makers has successfully pushed AMC under $1 for a 99-cent close. That means AMC is trading for 9 cents pre-reverse split price, ladies and gentlemen. All while ARON breaks his silence about the price. What a day today. Apes, this will decide the future. Does AMC bounce, or do we break below $1, continue down, and head into reverse split territory? I'm gonna break it all down in tonight's video. We have a fucking banger. Not only do we have ARON breaks his silence, but Data Zero must address all haters and admit I was wrong about AMC. All right, so I need one more tweet. No, so what we're going to talk about is... All right, let me think about my angle here. I'm going to probably record the video live. We'll see here in a second. Now I don't want to be overly dramatic because I don't want people to get scared because people might actually be scared right now. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I think is gonna happen. We'll break it more in the weekly outlook and prediction technical wise, but we're gonna talk about where we're at right now and what this means. Now, in order for it to be delisted, it has to stay underneath $1 for 30 days, I believe. So let's pull that up. Let's pull that up. So it failing to maintain a closing bid for 30 consecutive days trading. So it has 180 calendar days. If compliance is not met within that time, companies may get 180 days. Initial threshold, 30 consecutive business days below $1 triggers a deficiency notice. And then after that deficiency notice, you have to get back above, the company has 180 calendar days to get the price back up after the deficiency notice. All right, so we'll talk about that. We'll talk about Adam Aron addressing the stock price. Then the same day that he does this at night, and then the next day it drops below $1. I don't want to say a reverse split's like out of the realm of possibilities, but just off what I see, we don't stay below $1. But we will see. We will see, guys. Don't be sorry. Adam Aron won't apologize. Not a coincidence that Adam Aron release that and then the next day it drops below $1. AMC is 89 cents delisted in bankruptcy. So it has to get back above $1 if it stays below $1 for 30 consecutive calendar days. So we have 30 days to get back above $1. Then it gets a deficiency notice. So I'm gonna make a video and we're gonna talk about it. Bitcoin back above 70,000. Love to see that. Adam Aron blamed all of this. So do I want to talk about, I'll talk about the tweet first, and then we'll get into the specifics of what happened today. I'll talk about the tweet first, then we'll get into the specifics of what happened today about Adam Aron releasing the tweet. The next day it drops below $1. Do you guys think it's a coincidence or not? And then And if anybody wants my personal technical analysis on AMC, I don't think we stay below $1 for 30 consecutive days. I just don't. We're oversold now on the daily time frame. We're oversold on the weekly time frame. We're outside the bands on the daily time frame. I don't think we stay below this. I think it was pushed down today because of Max Payne being at $1 and the amount of short shares that they dumped on it. And I think ARON put this out because he knew it was going under $1 today. I think ARON needs to be fired. Dude, he should be investigated for breach of financial duties, bro. His job as a CEO is to create value for a shareholder, and he did it at the market offering while the stock was at all-time lows. It's just insane. All right, guys, let me get this video ready. I'm going to try to do it live if I can't, because this one might take a few takes. So if I can't, I'll record it. But let's go ahead and run the credits. Thank you guys for another successful stream. It looks like we'll probably get 1,000 views eventually here when it's posted. So thank you guys for tuning in. Dark pool was 75% today, brother. We're going to talk about all that in the video. Plus, GME has the acquisition potential and earning catalyst. We're going to talk about that on the weekly outlook and prediction. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, lock in. We did just get a new subscriber, it looks like. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to lock in, because we're going to be talking about it on the weekly outlook and prediction. We're going to be dropping videos. We're going to keep you guys informed, man. And I will keep talking about AMC to the very end. So if you guys want to hear about it, which it seems like everybody said in the last video, you guys want me to talk about it, I'm gonna be here talking about it. I'm not going to be like the other YouTubers who used AMC and GME to build a following faster than abandoning their community. I'm not doing that. Welcome a new subscriber, Dennis. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. New subs always welcome. Thank you all for being here. David. Zelly thank you for being on Twitch. I'm probably going to have to record the video off of the live. AMC's up 1.55% here in after hours. All right, yeah, guys. So I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to go ahead and put the credits up, and then I'm going to record the video. If you guys want to see the video, tune in tonight. I'm going to have to get on that right now so I can get it edited and put out here. All right, guys. You have a great weekend. And I'll see you in the video, and I'll see you in the weekly outlook of prediction. Weekly outlook of prediction is going to be on Sunday. We're going to get more into the technical side of things. Today's video is going to be breaking down what happened today and talking about Adam Aron's tweet. So we're going to be doing that, all that and more. So make sure you guys tune in for that. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks for staying to the end. Let's go ahead and run the credits real quick, and then we will end the live stream. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Later, bro. See you, Army, bro. Peace, Eric. $122 likes. 9 brand new members. Thank you, guys.